Today we got this device. This is the Samsung A16 and this device has no microphone. I tapping at a punch and loud is too low. So it's damaged and we need to replace it. You can see there is juice or liquids at the bottom. That means someone dropped something or leaked into this device. Let's remove the SIM card tray and then we can detach the frame from the housing. This phone can be opened like this way. There is no plastic back at the back of the phone. Alright, I just needed is somehow pant. I used it with my body, so I go out of the camera. That's all. For a moment, I thought this device has a pack plastic, so I had to remove it that way. But it was different, so we needed some strength to remove the housing from the back. All right, that's it. You can do it. Be careful of the fingerprint flex cable. So you have to do it like that way. You can remove the camera rings or camera shield, unplug the fingerprint cable. All right, that's all. Nothing has been harmed. There is no much liquid. It seems just leaked into the microphone. It's a tiny thing that could be damaged easily. You can see the loud is better now. Listen. But I refuse. I'm going to replace it, and that's what we can do to the customer. It's somehow it's normal or not normal, moderate, but I don't like it, so I will replace it for the customer. He came, told me the other person, when he call him, he can't hear his voice, so I told him we can fix that problem for you, and we are going to do that. We can just open the phone, clean it, and that's it, and in this repair. If we think the phone was completely okay with the cleaning, okay, we can finish that repair. But if it's not perfect, we have to do our job and replace the part, because we will pay for that part, or the customer will pay for that part. We can just get the money for nothing. All right, there's one screw, remove it, and then we release the charging subboard. The charging subboard contains that microphone, so you can just order a new one and replace the whole subboard. After that, the problem will be solved. But we are going to do something else in this video. You see, I'm still cleaning everything at the bottom because we don't need unnecessary liquids or juice onto there after we replace that microphone. Unplug the flex cables. Sorry, we had to speak something. Some people may see we are not accurate. We can't be accurate because we have some words to be spoken after another words. This is the alcohol. It's isopropyl alcohol, 99.9%. It's for external use also. That's written on the sticker. Alright, remove that. What is that? That antenna. So I'm going to replace that microphone. Just that microphone. I don't need to replace the whole charging subboard because it's working without problems. I have parts for that microphone. We will do it right away. You can remove that you can remove that microphone at 450 Celsius degree to remove it, and then we will change that heat after we put another one or the new one. This is low melt solder. It's important to put it because when we heat after that with the heating gun, we need a low temperature because the too much heat can cause the new microphone to be damaged. So we need that low melt solder. I think it was 158 or 100. What was that? Let's remember. It's something about that range. Not more than 20 Celsius. That solder. All right. Clean the flux. Don't put flux, or maybe a tiny bit. All right, or a tiny dot. This is the new one. We need to move it, and then we can use the heating gun not more than 330 Celsius degree. All right, heat up before you can see, and then we put the microphone. We don't need too much heat to get to that microphone. It happens to me. Sometimes I replaced about 5 microphones in the same board. Yeah, it could be damaged. When you don't know the operation, how to do that, you can end up damage that microphone. So when you turn the device and see and do the voice, do the record, and you see there's no voice, or you can listen some noisy things. All right, do the cleaning and then end up and reassemble or assemble this phone. Sorry, we mix up words. All right, this is the alcohol. Wait also to be cooled down the subboard, and then we can assemble and test. If everything is okay, then we can do the full assemble and end this video. The customer will be happy and I will be happy for the customer. All right, if you have any questions, don't forget to leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace. You can look about our merchandise. Maybe you like that, you support us. Also, if you have any questions about this video, about my voice, the quality and everything, leave us a comment. We can do support to that video or to that channel. Your comments is important. Thank you. كل شيء وأشهد ولنا لله سبحانه وتعالى مسلما ومسلم قال أنفق إطالة الحمراء من جيبه